Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 6, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. Basically, the power saving mode lets you to extend the battery life on your watch, hence the name, and basically it does it by turning off a lot of functions of the watch in the process. And once it turns off the functions, the watch automatically will use less battery, and hopefully it will let you to get your watch enough juice or battery to get you through the day and then charge it later on without it dying. And I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to disable it. So let's get started. So to enable the power saving mode, you need to open the control menu or control panel. And to do it, press the lower button on your watch. First you need to wake up the screen, then press it like this. And the panel will open. On it you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will look like this, like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon. To enable the mode, you simply tap on this icon. Oh, my bad, let's go back. Tap on the icon. Then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled after a few seconds. And that's how it looks like. Basically, you have restricted access to your watch. You have only time, battery life, date, and steps, and that's about it. Rest of the functions are locked, and this will save the battery life on your watch. You can get through the day and then charge it later on without it dying. And then, if you want to disable the mode, you simply press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face. Like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.